Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all of my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks, and we also talk about cryptocurrency from time to time. If you're new, please click that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, today was a fantastic day for Apple. Apple had an earnings call on yesterday, and the stock market took off. Apple led the way, up 6% in my portfolio for a gain of $107. We also saw Nvidia with continuous gains of 3.52%. We saw AMD Advanced Micro Devices up 3%. And we also saw Palantir up 3.86%. So these were some hot stocks today in my portfolio. Apple, due to its good earnings call, and during the earnings call, they talk about positive guidance moving into Q2, as well as they talked about a buyback. So that's what got the shares going. Apple shares rallied back today 6.19%. That's an excellent amount. Just when we thought Apple was going to be giving poor guidance on sales, it looks like they're going to come through. Okay, so let's take a look at my Robinhood. Okay, here we are, my Robinhood, and today we were up just slightly, 1.25% overall in this portfolio. And we'll look through here, see if there was some other hot stocks. We did look like have Shopify. Shopify shares, ticker symbol SHOP. Shopify shares were up today 3.42. Let's see if we can take a closer look at the chart for Shopify. Again, Shopify is very similar to Amazon. They have an online store, and it's a place where you can set your business up and do commerce online. Check out Shopify.com. But today we'll just talk about the stock, and we'll look at the chart real quick. Okay, here we are. Look at the chart. Like I said, up 3.74% today. And let's look at the year chart. Okay, it looks pretty much flat, down 2.59%. But again, on the day, on the week, up 3.88%. Let's see if I'm okay. Looks like I'm down in this position. But again, this is Shopify engages in cloud-based commerce designed for small and medium-sized business, allows merchants to run across all sales channels, including web, tablet, and mobile storefronts, social media, etc. Okay, but that's Shopify today, up today 3.40%. As I stated, we did have tech rally, Nvidia, AMD. Also, if we look here really quickly, Amazon shares were slightly up, as well as Google shares. This looked really good for tech today. Stocks in the tech market were up as Apple led the way. Okay, 6.27% for Apple. Again, Apple and Tim Cook had a excellent earnings call on yesterday to end this week of earnings, and also a buyback. Let's take a look at the news here. So at the stock, held around $168, as low as $169, and then boom, after the earnings went up as high as $182 per share, and it's been up since the earnings call on yesterday. A quick point again, Tim Cook had some great information on the earnings call yesterday, and again, that's the buyback is $110 billion buyback reported on Yahoo and CNBC as well. And so let's go over to the my other portfolio and see how I did there. Okay, here we are. My Charles Schwab, and Nvidia was the top gainer, up 114 for three on a gain of 3.3%. Apple up $110 for a gain for 6.29% on my current position, and advanced market devices up 3% on my current position for a gain of $74. So as you can see, my Nvidia position market value is a little over 3,500. My position in Apple is a little over 1,800. My position in advanced market device is a little over 2,500. So those were some of the hottest stop. Apple up 6.3%. Also, we did mention Palantir Technologies. The data technology was up 4.26%. So if you're into some of these small cap, Palantir was hot as well. Okay, so it was a tech day, Microsoft, Tesla, Advanced Market Devices, and Apple. So it was a fantastic day in the market. And really quickly, the losers. The top three losers was Owen Myers, SoFi Technologies, and Ford. SoFi down slightly 0.43%, and Ford Motor Company down 0.48%, and PayPal down 2%. So let's go take a quick look at the news. Well, here we are on the news channel, CNBC, and the highlight is Dow closes higher for more than 400 points as April's job reports bolster Fed cuts. Berkshire Hathaway's big mystery stock wager could be revealed tomorrow. Again, the Berkshire Hathaway Great Shareholder Conference will be held tomorrow. You can catch it live on CNBC. So this is an annual Berkshire Hathaway conference where many shareholders go to speak to Warren Buffett and other important people with the company, and he does read the shareholder letter there. So that is some top news. Berkshire Hathaway to have its big conference tomorrow. Again, Apple stock best day since 2022 after earnings beat $110 billion store buyback. BlackRock says now is the time to lock in higher yields and move cash into bonds. U.S. job growth topped 175,000 in April, much less than expected, while unemployment rose to 3.9%. And Bitcoin tops $61,000 after weaker than expected April's jobs report. Okay, so that is the news there. Again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night.